Do you want to learn how to easily allow Instagram access to your photos on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps so that you can start using all of your favorite photos and videos on Instagram. I'll show you how to set up the permissions so that you can access and share all of your memories with friends and family. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you are on this screen, you will see an option called Photos. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you will see a list of apps that have requested access to photos. Just tap on Instagram. Allow photo access, which is currently set to none, which means you can't access your photos through Instagram. So what you want to do now is either choose selected photos, which will give you the option to select only specific photos you want to use, or you can choose all photos, which will give you access to all photos so that you can post anything that you like on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.